Hello guys, what's movie this is today we're gonna playing Craftman. So anyways guys, what's movie this show? Make sure to subscribe and also hit the notification. Also let's see my world and also I'm going to play the game that's called Craftman. So that is cool. So anyways, subscribe right now and also if you about this video sa channel, subscribe right now. And also I'm going to play Craftman, I think. So we need to load now. Before it's too late guys. We need to load now. And also there's so many bamboos in there and also the trees. Sticking in the I don't know, water I think. So let me know in comments. Subscribe. Okay. So it has panda and black and white. So let me know in comments. What is my favorite game? And also I wanted to see the game. So trying to upload now. I was trying my best to upload because it's gonna be lagging very soon. This is my ship, So do not kill my ship, guys. So do not kill my ship. So I'm not gonna kill my ship, I guess. So this is my ship. I accidentally attacked the cow. So that is a mistake. So I'm going to kill a bunch of cows in the pan. But anyways, I'm going to kill the pig. The freaking pig, I think. So let me know in the comments. I was trying my best to kill it or something else. So there's iron golem. It has a leaf in this shoulder and also this I don't know. Okay, so this one is the house, and the villagers will go to sleep in, because the villager will sleep in a bed. It means the villagers is in uncomfortable, in comfortable I think. So villagers can just sleep it if I want. So I'm at a village. I just found a village in Parto I think. So let me know in the comments. This is my full videos I think. So I wanted to keep uploading videos. And also there's a cow. There's so many cows in there. So let me know in the comments. Okay, there's a sheep. Also the chicken I think. So I'm going to chance to make it. How about let's make myself into a farmer. And also I'm going to make myself farm I think. Let's make I don't know, some wheat farm I think. What's that? Bee farm I think. So let me know in the comments. What's that? What's that, Aaron? What's that? Okay, so let me know in the comments. Okay, let me just build it with my farm. Let's make farm I think. So anyways guys, I was trying my best to build it because I can just do it if whatever I want. So let me know in the comments what is my favorite game. And also I'm playing Craftman for last day. And also Minecraft is probably on it, but I want Minecraft, but it costs dollars. It costs dollars I think. But I don't know how to I don't know. Sorry. I don't know how to just download it if I want. So I have the sheep. Wanted to trying to kill it, I think. So anyways, first also this grass, this water, I think. Bro, I keep low bot. Come on, I need to build it. I think. Let me build it whatever I want. So this is my village, I think. So I'm going to build it. I'm just going to continue build it. What? What's that? What's that, guys? What's that? Did somebody just smack the I don't know. Sorry guys, I can't speak properly. Did somebody just break the game or not? Let me know. What's that? Let me just place the water. Oh my god. You need water. Oh my god, we need water I think. We need the water. Oh my god. Oh my god. We need the water. Uh let me just fix it already. Let me fix it already, guys. We need to put a wheat seed farm, I guess. So the cow will go to feed them inside, I guess. So let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments section. This is the sheep. I think I wanted to just trying my best to eat it. And also the potato. A potato. I need potato. that? Seed. Pumpkin. There's no beetroot. Beetroot. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Villager, can you just farm? I think the villagers become a farmer. So let me know in the comments. I should just wanted to build it, I think. With some wood, I think. So let me know in the comments. I just found the village from April 22 and also April 23, I think. So let me know in the comments. Let me put the more sheep and also color it if I want. So let me know in the comments. Bro, I keep lowbot, I think. Okay, so here's the sheep. And because the wolf, I hate wolf so much. I can't even make it. I found a thing. What's that? A food, I think? I don't know. What's that? Oh wait, it's the cyan. Wait, a cyan. Wait, can I try farm sheep? Sheep. Come on, this is a sheep. Oh my god. Oh wait, I just color the sheep and look like a cyan. Wow, okay, that's awesome. This is my farm. Oh my god, this is daytime. I think it's probably a daytime, I think. Was trying to sleep in a bed. So I just make a bed, I guess. So this iron golem sits in there. So this one, I'm going to make an iron golem. And also I'm going to place the iron golem there. They looks like I don't know. Looks like a pet, I think. Also, let me know in comments. Okay, let's put the pumpkin. Is it? I can't. How about, wait, how about I'm going to, how about we're going to fit in there? No. Go. Go. I need to make an iron golem. I said move. What is wrong with this iron golem? Can you just... Bro, this iron golem look like a fat guy. Bruh. Looks like a pig. I can't. It's so hard to remove it. Go. Go. What is wrong with iron golem? Bruh. I can't even fit the iron golem. Only this... I can just fit it whatever I want. Is it done? Nah. It's not even working. All because iron golem did. Also, let me know in the comments. Hey, what are you doing? Bro, look at this, guys. This iron golem is so excited and just stop. What is wrong with you, iron golem? Okay, this is my pet, iron golem. So, let me know in the comments, okay? So, I'm going to place the thing. Wait, can I make a tower or not? Let me put this. Villagers can just do... Let me just put this one. So that the villagers can just sell it, I think. Or just maybe not, I guess. So we're going to put more villagers. And also villagers like barrels and also this. Also crafting table, I think. So let me know. Wait, can I... What happened? Did I glitch the game? Oh my god. What happened? Did I just glitch the game? Or for no reason? What's wrong? Okay, so anyways, first I need to put the wheat seed. This is my wheat seed, I think. So I wanted to plant them with some wheat seed. Okay, so the Minecraft movie will be very soon. Before my mom's will go to watch my thing of the Minecraft movie.
Yay!
Okay,
The eggs are now frozen.
okay. I cooked the game. Okay, so that's good. And also, I'm going to place the sugar cube. Sugar cube. Where's sugar cube? Where's the sugar cube? I can't see. Oh my god, this one, this one. Can I place it? Oh, I should just place it. Wait, some place it, I think. I should just... Can I do like whatever I want? I don't know. What the heck happened?
No. Baby bees.
What happened? Bro, I lag. I just actually lag. What happened, guys? Okay. What the heck happened? Okay. I think this is my sugar cube in there. And also this is my house. And also let's make a bee. I think. Let's make a bee. With some sort of the house, I think. Let's make him a bee. Let's make a bee, I think. And also let me know in the comments, I guess. Okay. What, my beans? I can't. Oh wait, I can just do it. I can just place the bee in this jar of honey. Okay, let's put the bee in there. The bee's nest. The bee's nest, I think. Let me put the bee's nest. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let me just place the trapdoor. So the bee will respawn very soon. So let me know in the comments section. Okay? So let me know in the comments. I should just replace a bee. Bee's nest. Bee's nest. Bee's nest, I think. What is my business? I don't know what business is. So let me know in the comments. Okay. I'll just keep on saying let me know in the comments. So subscribe right now. Also if I get 600 I think. Also this bee farm is good. Also let's put the flower. So the bee likes flowers in there. Wait, I'm gonna put more flower. I'm gonna put more flower, guys. Okay. Okay. I think I like this business. I think. I think I like this. Oh my god. I think I like this. Okay. I think I'm about to just get popular, I think. Wait, can I place this or not? Oh wait. What the sigma? What happened? Did I just put so many? Okay, let's put so many and think. Oh my god. Wow, I put so many. So if you have a phone, please subscribe to my channel. Okay. Wow, I have so many flowers in there. So I'm going to respawn the bee. Let me respawn the bee, guys. Let me respawn a bee. Baby bees. Okay, how many bees? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 bees. There's so many bees now. So I'm going to place the tree in this wood. So the bees will just do this. Okay. Let me my god, this oh my god, this tree is awesome. Can I place it or not? This tree is awesome. I can't place the tree. I can't place the tree. I should just place it if I want. Okay. Let me just place the tree. Oh my god, yes, this tree is so realistic. This is my new village now. I live in a village, guys. I live at my village. What's that, a tower? Can I play? What's that, oldest thing? What's that, an oldest village? What's that? What happened? No! It's raining! Oh my god. Wait, hold on. Clear. What the heck is wrong with this? It's raining. What the heck is wrong with you guys? I need to decorate my village, I think. Looks so good. Also, let's decorate it now. And also, let's decorate my village, I think. So I'm going to decorate my village if I want. What? All over again. Okay, this is my village, I think. So, anyways, I need freaking wood. I need a freaking wood. And also, like, the villagers go. I think I would going to help me, I think. Let's make I think let's make I don't know, a store, I think, or I don't know. Let's make a store. Okay, let's make a store, guys, and let's make a store. Let me decorated my village, I think. Let me decorate my village now. So the villagers get homeless if I'm just destroyed it. So I'm not gonna destroy that, cause villagers not get homeless, I think. So anyways, let me know in comments. I just wanted to decorate my village. What's that? Okay, looking good. Think I'm about to just. I think I'm about to just decorate it. Bro, what the? What's that? A lantern? Wait, can I remove? Wait, I will just remove this. Maybe I should just make a space. This space is probably stuck in my house, in my village house. What's that? A village? I think. I don't know. I need to kill the sheep first. Blood. Blood. Yummy. Oh my god. Wow. I think I like this. Okay, let me just decorate my village. Let me decorate now, guys. I know how to decorate now. And also, in the meantime, I like this decoration of the village. I need to decorate first before it's too late. I need to decorate first. Oh my god. I need to get faster before the villagers get in done for the job. Okay, looking good. I think I'm about to wanted to build a base. I need to make a store, guys. I need to make a store. One, two, three. Okay, let's make a store, guys. Oh my god, wasted that time. I'm about to wasted more time. Since I'm gonna build it once again. Sigma. Okay, that's good. That's just this the coolest village in the world. I think I like this. I think I like this village, I think. The oldest village, I think. I just built it, I think. So this is my progress, I think. My biggest progress. Okay. This is my progress now. So I'm about to win this. Or just build it if I want, I guess. So let me know in comments, okay? Okay, looking good. And also the what the heck happened? What happened? Okay, I think I like this. Okay, this one. And this one is the seat. I think the villagers can just be uncomfortable. So I'm about to wanted to finish it with some sort of this, I guess. See, this is my first village, I think. I think I like this, guys. I think I like this. So let me know in comments, okay? Okay, what's that? Why did I just break dirt, or just grass? Okay, there's so many villages now, so it's okay. I just wanted to make it if I want. I'm going to make village, okay? Let me build a village, I think. Okay. I think they created a new village. Also, there's no abandoned village, I think. So let me know in comments. I need to find the new village, I think. Abandoned village. Abandoned village, I think. Somewhere in the safe spot. Somewhere in the safe now, I guess. I need to find another abandoned village. So let me know in the comments. Where's the thing? And also I'm going to continue building, I think. Building a new house. Okay, where's the village? I think I'm about to win this. Or this. trying my best to draw, or just trying my best to build it, I think. So it's cool. What's that? Nothing. What's that? Wait, this wood. This wood is probably this. I was trying my best to copy that, I guess. I was trying my best to copy, but it's gotta be cool. Chicken. Okay, looking good. This the village. Also, I like this. I like that village so much that I just wanted to build it if I want. Okay, let's go. Let's go build it in time. Okay, let me build it in time. Okay, let's go. Wow, looking good. I was working so hard on this video. This video is sponsored by the oldest video. Okay, looking good, guys. I think it's good. I'm about to wanted to finish it if I want. I'm going to keep uploading videos, I think, guys. Yeah, I'll keep uploading now, so subscribe. Okay, looking good. There's a cat. Just trying to kill it, but I don't know. Okay, I think I like this. I think I like this now. Or just trying to be mean with the classmate, I guess. Okay, yeah, looking good. I think I like this. I think I like this, man, guys. Like this. I'm about to get the full videos, I think. I'm about to get full videos, guys. I'm about to get full videos. Okay. Okay. This is the final copyright. So I'm not gonna make copyright. No, so I'm about to wanted to finish the village. Of decorate of my village, I think. And I'm going to place the glass there. Just trying my best to build it. So let me know in the comments, okay? Okay. Let me continue building now. Okay? Okay, this is my village, I think. Okay. Wow, that's cool. That's the coolest village in the world. Thank you so much, guys. Oh my god. Please. Oh my god. I'm about to win though. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. Oh my god, this annoying raining. Need to just trying my best to draw. Or just maybe not, I guess. Or get busted. Stealing copyrights, I think. Wow, this village awesome. I think I want it to decorate now. I think I wanted to decorate this oldest village, I think. Bro, this night trying my best to blind me. Or how about, I don't know. Or maybe, yeah, I should just place if I want. I think I like this village. Don't be lie. But I wanted to build it if much I can. I'll see the inside of the village. Okay, looking good. How about this? I'm about to build it what you can. Okay, let's build it again. I can just make a video, I think. I should just make a video, guys. Okay. Okay, that's good. I think I like this. Okay, let's put the torch. Can I put the torch there? For the still the nighttime. I think I'm going to make a store. Gonna make a store, guys. I'm going to make a store, guys. Okay. Or just maybe wanted to put it there. Okay, next I need this. Next I need trapdoor. Trapdoor, I think. What's that trapdoor? What happened? Okay, trapdoor. It's probably there. The trapdoor. Okay, villagers likes the barrels, I think. I'm going to put more barrels, I think, guys. Okay? So I'm going to put the chest and also the bed. Okay, how can I put the bed? I don't know how to put the bed. So I'm not gonna put the bed in there. So this is the village. That I just put that. Also, let's put this chair. Also the chair thing. Trying to eat myself. Okay, so this is the store that I just built it. So I'm going to place the light there. We just wanted to place the light if I want. Okay, let's put that to. I wanted to decorate my village, I think. Okay. And also, I wanted to decorate it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And also, next is the block. The wooden block, I think. The wooden block that I just wanted to trying to build it, I think. Next, I need a torch. I need a torch, I think, guys. We need to make a long video, so I'm going to place the torch in there if I want. So there's so many torch now. And also, this is the iron golem. I'm not gonna kill iron golem. I'm going to kill the pets, I think. Or not, I'm gonna kill my pets, I think. Or just a little, guys. This is my cow that I just wanted to just make it. So I'm going to make a barrels. And also, I don't know what barrels are. Also, I'm going to place the chest that I just wanted to just put in the chest and thing. So let me know in the comments, okay? So let me know in the comments, okay? Why there's village in there? Hey, what are you doing? Hey, you Jill! Hey, you Jill! What are you doing, Iron Golem? Hey, Iron Golem, what are you doing? What are you a crush? Or just Iron Golem has a person there? What are you doing, Iron Golem? What are you doing with the baby villagers? Are they stuck? Yeah, it's stuck. And then you squish the video. I just accidentally squished the thing, the sting. Also, I'm going to decorate now. I just actually decorate my village. Also, I'm going to fix this before. Because it's so ugly that I just want to see it. So I'm going to remove this grass. This grass stuck, because this string grass wanted to stick in the water, but not. Go to remove that, I think. So let me know in the comments, okay? So I'm about to place the wood in there. What the heck? There's fish? There's fish in there? What's that? What's that, I think? What's that? A fish? Is that a fish? Let me place. Let me. Wait, how about we just. I don't know. I don't know what to talk about. I don't know. How about let's place the wood. Okay. Let's decorate now, guys. I think I wanted to decorate now. I'm also about to just make a few minutes, I think. In a few minutes. Okay. Oh my god, wow. I need to decorate with my village. And also I need a torch. I need a torch, I think, guys. I need a torch to decorate my village. To just decorate my village, I think. This is my new village that I swear don't just destroy that. Because of Jade. Jade's fault, I think. Wow, that's simple. I think that's simple, I think. So, anyways. Wow, I like this village. Because it's gotta be awesome, guys. So, I'm not gonna end. How about let's make a bridge there, in the top. So, I don't know how to make a bridge. I know how. I just make a village. I'm not gonna make it, but I just... What? I'm just trying my best to make it. But, anyways, okay. What's that? Okay. I think I like this. I think I'm about to wanted to shape the grass with the shovel. So, anyways, I need a wood. I need a wood there. I made a bridge before the villagers didn't even die. And also falling. Also, I'm going to decorate it by village. Also, I like this. Okay, guys. I think I like it. I'm about to eat the cactus, but anyways. Auto. Oh my god. So high, guys. Oh my god. What's that? I'm a still. Donut. Okay, okay. Oh my god. Made a new progress, guys. Oh my god. I'm still wanting to build it. Watch again. Oh my god. This data is 30 minutes. Real life. Real life, guys. There's a fish. Why it is it? I'm going to kill the fish there. And also I'm going to kill it. And also I'm going to eat it. Much again. Going to eat it. Much again, guys. Why there's a bone there? Is it the skin bone that I can just choke? I can't even breathe because I'm about to die. And also just not survive because I'm getting scared. And I don't like the bones in the skin. So I don't like it so much. So I'm going to decorate now. So anyways, okay. Let me decorate now faster, I think. So anyways, okay. Let me just continue decorate my village, I think. My village, I think, guys. I think I'm going to decorate now for my new village, I think, guys. Okay. Guys, there's a sheep trying to eat the grass. And also, I don't like it. I don't like the sheep trying to eat the grass. It's gotta be disgusting and haunted now. Trying my best to kill the sheep. And just maybe I should just eat by myself, guys. I just wanted to eat by myself. So let me know in the comments, okay? Okay, there's so many fish. So I'm gonna decorate my village. And also I'm going to decorate now if I want. So in a few hours or a few minutes, I think. So let me know in the comments. Okay. I think I'm about to just put the woods in there. Okay. I think I like this. What the heck happened to the night? Tonight? Today? What's that? No. I would. Oh my god, what? Why does my tablet is feeling well? My tablet's gotta be exploded. What happened? Why they always go back to my original I don't know. I don't speak yet because they keep on going back to the surface of the charger, I guess. I'm trying my best to charge it, but it gotta be hot. Also, my tablet is hot, guys. My tablet is hot, so that because I just wanted to. Oh my god, I accidentally burped at you. Sorry, guys. Okay. So I'm going to win, guys. I'm going to just probably wanted to beat it, or just killing villagers, I think, or not. Okay. Blech. Okay. I think I like this. Okay, okay. This is my big fan. So I'm about to win. We're just making sand. Oh my god. Okay. Let's make a bridge in there. Let's make a bridge. So I'm going to just being a hunky, I think. Let's make build a bridge of my village, I think. Decorate my village. Okay, I think I'm about to win. I have 11, so I'm going to make a longest video. And also I just decorate my newest village in the world. So let me know in the comments. Oh my goodness, I'm my little baby boy. Wow. Wow, I like this. I like the village, I think, guys. I like the village that I just swear. Swear I didn't want to destroy that. So I wanted to keep it for now on. What's that? A tree or just a village? Okay, I just decorate now. So I just decorate now. Also, there is the bridge. Okay, to see. Get across in there. And also look at this. The beautiful view views of the thing. Also the nether portal at there. Something else. Also, if I can go inside. What else? Let's go. Let's go loading my tablet, guys. Let's go in another portal. Let's go to another portal, I guess. So leave it in the comments. Okay, let's load now. Okay. What the heck? There's so many piglins in there. Okay. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong, guys? Okay, let's put the... Okay. What? Hey. Stop! Who's breaking it? Okay, let's put, Mamacitas. Oh my god. I was trying my best to discover the... Wow. Okay, this lava will not destroy the guys. I think I'm about to wanted to build it. I'm going to build my red house. Or the green house. Let's make my house turn into green. I think I'm at in another portal, guys. In Minecraft videos, I think, guys. I think I'm about to just make it, I think. So let me know in the comments, okay? So I want to build my first house. I can't even sleep because I don't know. So maybe but I just wanted to build it now. Where? Okay. I think I like this. Can I build whatever I want? I think this is my house, guys. I think this is my worst house. But another portal, guys. Okay. Come on, let's run. What's that? Purple inside. There's a portal, I think. I don't know. So I'm going to decorate my house. We're decorated now. So